myself Dr. Lokesh, and I welcome you back in Full Stack Studio. Here today we have Dr. Niharika with us. Dr. Niharika has done her PhD from University Technology Petronas.
Yes.
And I guess that's a really great campus of the university in Malaysia.
So the campus is huge, and definitely I actually explored a lot of things. And if I connect to our topic today, that is real-time decision making. So my PhD work itself was related to that. So from there, I started learning about real-time decision making.
Is there any way, any chance for students to make this happen with the real time, the full stack?
Dr. Lokesh, if I talk about real-time decision making and connect it to full stack, definitely you can give a new direction to full stack and to your new developers that you have, because real-time decision making is something that is the need of current moment. So, and what I learned about real-time decision making, there are three dots that I usually connect. That is, the very first thing is algorithm, and second thing is use of data analysis, and third thing that is important for full stack developers as well and real-time decision making as well, that is learning for the model that you will create. And in full stack you develop the front end and back end. So if we connect these three dots, then according to, if we are using algorithm, so from algorithm you can develop the logic. From data analysis you can do the visualization of your whole data, because in full stack you guys work on database, MySQL most of the time. So it is very important, if you have to connect with the current scenario, so you can go with the data analysis. And third is your learning. If I talk about learning, so you are learning from the past data and real-time events that are creating for that as well, from
So,
that as well.
It difficult for a full stack developer to go with the learning and the algorithms because he just have a knowledge of programming only.
Definitely. And I would say for a new developer or a programming developer, the very first and the basic thing that should learn is creating the logic.
Yes.
If the person has to work independently, so if he cannot create the logic, so it is very difficult to proceed with.
Right.
We cannot apply all the possibilities, right? We have to come up with the best possible solution. And if I talk about optimization, optimization itself demands use of algorithm.
Exactly, yes. So is there any other way other than the programming? So we need to consult to a person who is actually doing all these things, the learning, implementing the learning algorithms actually. So I think we need to consult the person. We need to keep that person in our team.
Definitely, because what we expect from a full stack developer, he should be a complete package.
Yes.
And he should work in a team so that every aspect you can consider. So definitely some consultancy project or consultants you can appoint for your work.
Okay, so Dr. Niharika, we wanted to know, is there any real-time example?
For a real-time example, I can consider this search engine optimization.
Yes, okay.
Because for full stack you are working on front end and back end as well. So in that you are using different nodes of the internet, the millions of nodes and the nodes which are creating in the real time, those you are considering. And every query that person or the internet user is creating, you have to consider that in the database. And then the third thing is algorithm, that is optimization algorithm. So the backend is there, and for the front end is like the optimization query that you will apply, that will help you in the front end as well.
In front end, we will not be able to see the examples of the real-time systems, if I'm not wrong.
That is true. Yeah, for that the designing people are there.
I'm also getting something. So anything else that you wanted to say to our audience, please?
To the audience, I would still say that we are only focusing on programming and syntax building. But yes, it is important. It is the need of the hour that your developers should focus on algorithm and logic building as well. So that is the tip I can give you for now.
Thank you so much, Niharika, to be here. Thank you, all of
Thank you for inviting.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay.